Today we have come with a caramel popcorn recipe which is very easy to make and kids will love it. So let's start the recipe. Firstly, for this recipe we need some corn kernels. These are the corn kernels you need to use. You'll easily get it in any grocery store. We have to heat a heavy bottom pan. To this I have added half teaspoon of oil. You can use any oil and just spread it along the pan. We are adding oil because we don't want the butter to burn, so this will prevent the butter from burning. Then we add 1 tablespoon of salted butter and let this butter melt. Then add 1 cup of corn kernels to this butter and mix and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. We want the corn kernels to nicely be coated with the butter. Now cover the pan or the cooker with a lid and let all the kernels pop. So here all the kernels have popped up nicely, the popcorn is nice. Now remove the lid. Just be careful because there will be 1 or 2 popcorn that will be popping. You can see every popcorn is popped, there is no seeds left behind. It's nicely done. I'm greasing and keeping a tray ready or a plate ready. You can use a plate, a tray, or you can also line it with butter paper to put the popcorn once they are caramelized. So brush some oil and keep it aside. So now let's go ahead and make the caramel. For this, in a pan, take half a cup of sugar. Spread the sugar along the pan and keep it on medium flame and let it melt. Don't mix it at this stage. You can either spread it with the back of a spoon. Slowly you will see the sugar melting. The edges of the sugar have started melting. Of a spoon, slowly spread the sugar a little. Now once the sugar has started to melt, start mixing it together. Make sure that there are no lumps. If any, just break it with a spoon. You can see the sugar is getting a nice caramelized color now. You just have to melt all the sugar completely till no crystals are seen. So our sugar is done. To this we are going to add half teaspoon of butter. Then we'll add a pinch of salt. Caramel popcorn is a little salty, but if you don't like it so salty, you can avoid salt. To this, now adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda will make the caramel light and also a little frothy and foamy. Mix it nicely. Now our caramel is ready. To this, add the popcorns that we had popped earlier and mix it together till every popcorn is coated with the caramel nicely. It is done. Now spread it on a plate that we had greased earlier. You can separate it if you feel it's lumpy. You can separate it once it cools down. Once cool, just separate it and our caramel popcorn is ready. Your kids are gonna love this. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.